Hi, I'm Kerri Richardson with C2 Strategic Communications, bringing you a cocktail for the weirdest derby ever. It's not spring, but it still feels like you should be drinking a mint julep for derby, even though it's in September. So we've decided to make for you a blackberry mint julep because blackberries are a summer fruit. They're widely available right now, and they play really nicely with mint. So take a couple of these and put them into your pitcher. Maybe I'll put 3 in there. Those are gonna look great. Then take your mint. So I'm gonna take about 4 leaves, medium sized. I'm gonna tear it apart and drop it into the pitcher. What you don't want to do is tear it up too small. You need to have some larger pieces that you can still see in the final cocktail. Next ingredient, simple syrup. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon in here. Here's the fun part. Take your muddler. I'm gonna take the small end here and just lightly crush everything. That looks good. Next thing is your bourbon. So I've selected Larceny today. It's a 92 proof bourbon for this particular bottle. I like to use something that's 100 proof or below for mint juleps because they're easy to drink that way and really an easy entry point for a lot of people. But mint juleps are no joke. This takes 2 jiggers of bourbon. We're gonna throw some ice on top here to chill that down. Let's give it a quick stir. Get our glass ready. Get a little bit of that blackberry there on the top. Let's garnish it with a little bit more mint, and there you go. You've got a festive, derby-ready cocktail no matter what time of year your derby is going to be held. So enjoy your blackberry mint cocktail courtesy of C2 Strategic Communications. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good.